The best spaceship portfolio for growth is built on three pillars: long-term performance, exposure to innovative industries, and consistent reinvestment. Spaceship makes this approach simple by offering curated funds that prioritize high-growth companies shaping the future of technology, finance, and global consumer markets. A strong growth-focused portfolio begins with the Spaceship Universe portfolio. This option is crafted around companies that are changing how the world works, from advanced computing to modern digital platforms. It includes established global leaders with proven revenue expansion, giving the portfolio stability while still maintaining aggressive upside potential. Its design favors long-term compounding through businesses that consistently reinvest earnings and scale across international markets. The second component is the Spaceship Origin portfolio. This fund emphasizes well-known companies with strong fundamentals and predictable expansion. While it is less aggressive than Universe, it provides balance and reduces volatility without sacrificing long-term gains. When paired together, Origin and Universe create a blended structure that captures high-growth opportunities while maintaining steady performance through market shifts. Growth investors within the Spaceship ecosystem rely on dollar-cost averaging. Adding fixed amounts regularly smooths out market fluctuations and increases the number of units accumulated during dips. Over years, this strategy enhances compounding and ensures the portfolio continues expanding regardless of short-term uncertainty. A solid growth approach also includes automated reinvestment. Every distribution is pushed back into the portfolio, increasing holdings and accelerating performance. This method is simple yet powerful, especially within portfolios built on innovative companies. Choosing the best spaceship portfolio for growth ultimately comes down to maintaining exposure to technology, global leaders, and long-term compounding. Combining the Universe portfolio with the Origin portfolio, adding funds consistently, and reinvesting every return produces a strong foundation for investors seeking meaningful growth and future-focused performance.